Hi everyone. So for my Hackers Week project, I read this book, Ditch That Tech, by Matt Miller, which I think another one of you read a Matt Miller book for this project. But I follow an Instagram teacher that I don't know, and she just posts a lot of really cool activities and strategies for, I think she's an English teacher in high school, but so she recommended this book a couple weeks ago before this project started, so it kind of got me thinking about reading it again and trying to find a tool that I haven't used before and kind of implement it in a lesson. So I went with creating a VoiceThread presentation because we have done a few through our courses, and I've heard about it from other teachers in the building, so I thought I would try to create a lesson built around an upcoming lesson in VoiceThread. So we are learning order of operations probably at the end of next week before winter break. This is the website I created from our project, our blended learning project from this summer. So I'm just still building on this site, but their first thing they're going to do is watch the VoiceThread presentation at their own pace. I think if you play it in here, it stays this small. So I linked to the big screen and created some video comments at each one. And then I uploaded video links. This one was a fun way to talk about order of operations. And then they advanced a slide and real life problems. I think this was another video comment. So then I did some just voice comments, and I hate listening to myself. And then, so this was a screencast video I had created to kind of go along with their notes. And I think I just did a text comment over here. And then the screencast I embedded. So they're definitely going to hear my name a lot. I keep saying this is Ms. Carballo, but so that kind of goes along with their notes, and then it works through the problems, and they can kind of work at their own pace and speed through this and really go fast if they really want to. So, and then I have some more text comments and a problem for them to solve. So this was the interactive piece I was trying to figure out a cool way to kind of get this part. So there's a slide for each period so that I don't have 80 comments per slide. And then they're going to solve this problem on a whiteboard, bring it up to me to get checked for accuracy, and then make a comment themselves, either audio. I kind of given them the choice of audio or video. And then their practice. So this kind of just explains the different choices they have for practice today. There's a digital practice in Google Slides that's interactive if they want to stay on the computer. There's an Easter egg hunt, which I found on a couple months ago, an activity where you just hide problems and Easter eggs and hide them around the room, and they find the egg, solve the problem, and then put the egg back so that other people can solve it. I like to, every 4 problems, I'll probably have them bring me their papers just to check for accuracy, but it's just about them solving as many problems as they can, order of operations. And then there's a paper if they don't want to get into the craziness of an Easter egg hunt. There's just a triangle puzzle. They solve an operation, order of operations, and then find the answer to connect to it and kind of glue it, cut and paste onto the answer sheet. So I think I ended with another song about order of operations. Singer-songwriter singing about order of operations. So I think the tool, I like the tool. I hope the kids do. I'm interested to see if they think it's better than just a straight screencast presentation, which I've tried to been doing more of. This is posted on my site, so it can be viewed whenever they want, kids who are absent. So I think that's really useful. And the interactive part of explaining their answer on the slide, I think that'll be really useful information just to see kind of their thought process and hear others. I think I said if they got it wrong when I checked it, then I'm going to tell them to go listen to another classmate's response, the comments at the bottom, to kind of see maybe where they made their mistake instead of me telling them. So I think it'll be cool. I feel like I've just been doing this all year, trying a new tool and seeing how it goes. So I'm curious to see how the kids react to this. And then we finished with a paper exit ticket. Because it's order of operations, I didn't want to do a Google form. I kind of want to see the steps. Though I probably could have used another tool. But this VoiceThread presentation took some time for me to figure out how to get used to it and like how to work everything. But very cool tool. Thank you.